Hello friends and welcome to the YouTube channel Pratiksha's Maths class. We have seen lot of things in differentiation till now. This is the one more session about differentiation. In this session we shall learn about differentiation of one function with respect to the other function. Now this is simply new for you because till now you have seen differentiation with respect to x, differentiation with respect to t, differentiation with respect to theta, etc. Because we know that differentiation with respect to x is d by dx, differentiation with respect to t is d by dt, differentiation with respect to theta is d by d theta. That we have seen till now. Now just think, if you are asked to find out differentiation with respect to some function, then what? Some examples are represented here to make this more clear. Differentiation with respect to sin x is d by d sin x. We know that differentiation with respect to x is d by dx. In the similar way, differentiation with respect to sin x is d by d sin x. Differentiation with respect to x square plus 3 is d by dx square plus 3. Differentiation with respect to e raised to x is d by d e raised to x. Looks very horrible, but it is not actually. It's very simple. We'll see examples to make this clear and understandable. So let's take the first example. Differentiate x square with respect to log x. It means that we have to find out differentiation of x square. It means dx square. With respect to log x, it means d log x. So the question is to find out dx square by d log x. This is completely new for you, but just by assuming two things, it will be very simple. Let's see. We will assume two functions are given to us, right? First function is x square and second function is log x. So let's assume first function is equal to u and second function is equal to v. So u is equal to x square and v is equal to log x. So now our problem is converted to find out du by dv, because this we have assumed u and this is equal to v. So now the question is to find out du by dv with u is equal to x square and v is equal to log x. This is now same as the case of parametric equations that we have already seen in one of the previous lecture. So if you are not familiar with parametric equation, first go to the differentiation of parametric equation and then you can resume this video. So we'll proceed by the same method as we have applied in case of parametric equation. You can see that we have two functions, u is equal to x square, v is equal to log x, and we have to find out du by dv. This we will keep in our mind. Now since both are functions of x, we will differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. Here we get du by dx. Differentiation of u with respect to x is du by dx. Differentiation of x square is equal to 2x. Similarly, differentiation of v with respect to x is dv by dx and differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So we have calculated both of them, du by dx and dv by dx. Our question is to find out du by dv, and we know that it can be obtained by taking division of these two. So du by dv can be written as du by dx divided by dv by dx. You can check one more time. Du by dv, this is our original question. To find out, this is equal to division of these two, du by dx divided by dv by dx. Now both we have calculated, so we will substitute their values. This is equal to 2x and this is equal to 1 upon x. Denominator will go into the denominator of denominator will go into the numerator. So this x will go into numerator. So finally we get 2x square divided by 1, which is equal to 2x square. So in fact it is very easy. Just we need to add one more step. assuming some notations for both the functions. First function say u and second function say v. Then question is same as the method of parametric equations. Let's see one more example. Differentiate sine inverse x with respect to cos inverse x. So here first you can see that this cos inverse x should be here. Differentiate sine inverse x with respect to cos inverse x. So as we have seen, we will assume some variables for both the functions. Say u is equal to sine inverse x and v is equal to cos inverse x, and we proceed to find out du by dv applying the method of parametric equation. Both are functions of x, so we differentiate both with respect to x. So here differentiation of u with respect to x is du by dx, and we know that differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square that we have seen in the formulas for derivative of different functions. Similarly, differentiation of v is dv by dx and differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 of under root 1 minus x square. Now du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx, division of both of them. Substitute their values. So 1 upon root of 1 minus x square divided by minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So here root 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square cancelled, and we left with 1 upon minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. This is our final answer. So in this video of math class, we have seen how to find out differentiation of one function with respect to the other function. Stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you.